Switchblade, Jay White!
And Jay White connects with a big European uppercut. Nice leapfrog. Jay White takes out El Phantasmo. Both men swinging for the fences, but Jay...
Oh, and a twisting suplex, middle of the ring. Could be.
Jay White, though, gonna look for that snap suplex.
Here we go. Oh, finally able to connect.
In the middle of the ring with nowhere to go. He's scratching, he's clawing. Jay White drags him to the center of the ring, and he sits back.
White looking for the cradle shock. Oh!
That a beautiful half and half. We know what that usually sets up.
Give that drop kick a 10 right in the face.
Here we go.
Kiwi crush.
Kiwi crush.
He hit it.
Got it.
Come on.
Leg hook. Two.
And got nothing.
And walks right in to Blade Runner. What could have been for Kyle Fletcher.